Hi, welcome to day 37. I am extremely sorry that my visibility is not that good today. Uh, I am not at my local cafe because I wanted to walk today. And no, not because I didn't go to the gym. I did go to the gym today. Uh, Worked out pretty well. It was my Canon event for November, and yeah, that worked out very well. I have took a month's subscription for my gym. My family members were a bit skeptical about me actually going the entire month as well, but i will I will see to it that I am going like an entire month. And yeah, uh, I'd like to talk about how at times we when we are trying to get something in life, or let's say for example when we are trying to manifest something, we have set ourselves onto a particular goal and we want to go to a certain direction. uh, how at times we do get emotionally drained, or we do have days where we just feel like it's not possible, or you just don't have it in yourself in order to do that. And I feel that is exactly what has been happening with me. uh, I've had days where I feel that whatever I'm doing, it makes no sense for me to do it, or maybe I don't really have the skill set, I don't really have this, I don't really have that, or like I shouldn't be doing this. And I've noticed this. It's always happening when I am emotionally not very well, and I've not rested myself well. Basically, the stuff that I had spoken about yesterday, and one interesting reel had come up on my Instagram. Uh, I'm sure like you all must have also seen something similar, which is the version of you who is who's trying to get whatever you want to get is already living an alternate life where they have it, where they have whatever you are trying to achieve. Basically, let's say if you are someone who wants to have like a, a $1 million, $1 billion company or something like that, there is an alternate version out there who is already living out like that. And the only thing that you need to do is you need to just replicate the emotional signature that that particular version of you has. And that kind of got me intrigued uh, in regards with how does that work. And it's before I get a little bit onto that, I'd like to explain how manifestation is not really like magic. I am so sorry for the video quality that's coming out at the moment, because I'm quite literally it's 11 in the night, I think. Yeah, I I was not able to go to the usual cafe that I go to. It's actually 2 minutes away from here only. But I preferred walking today, just like a little bit of change. Yeah. So how when I started understanding manifestation, how I understood that it's not magic. It's more like you are doing certain things repetitively for which you know how the result is going to be. Basically, you're just reverse engineering whatever XYZ that you need. And oh no, yeah, basically you're just like reverse engineering all the things that you want in your life. Like let's say for example, if you want a part, I'm sorry, I just had my dinner. Let's say you are trying to manifest a particular car in your life, and you try to understand the price of that car, which is like 100K dollars or $1 million or something like that. Then you accordingly see to it. You try to understand how much uh, how much income, monthly income do you need, and then based on that you start, break those goals into smaller goals, and then eventually try to understand how exactly you will be able to get to that particular goal, like the bigger goal that's there. And initially when I had gotten to know about manifestation, at that time I had thought that it is somewhat like voodoo, or it is somewhat like magic only. That was my first impression about manifestation as well. But eventually, when I started understanding it on a deeper level, I understood like there is actual science to it, and there are multiple things that help you get towards your goal, and you actually of course have to work towards it, then only you will get it. It's just that manifestation is like a system, or a way, a path through which you can actually get, which structurizes the whole journey for you and helps you out to get that as well. So yeah, that's what I understood. And when it comes to emotional drainage as well, I feel you have to understand how the version of you that you actually think of. Like, let's say for me, I want to be a guy who has like 2 3 companies under him going. I'm sorry, my phone storage again uh, got over. I'll really have to figure out how to like uh, get more storage so that my videos are recorded a little longer. Anyways, my point over here is this, that the exposure is a lot on my camera now. Yeah, my point over here is this, that when you feel energetically low, or when you feel what exactly is to be done on days where you don't feel like doing anything, I feel that is when you need to tap into that guy's energy and understand that how exactly that guy would do. Like, for example, if I want to be a guy who has like 2 to 3 companies under him, I will have to understand what are few non-negotiables that I have to do even when the days where I feel energetically low, because then only I'll be able to execute all those things. And one thing that I've understood at the moment, for me to actually jump timelines and for me to actually improve more on my journey as well, sleep is something that I need to focus on heavily, and rest is something that I need to focus on heavily. As I had said that previously as well, I feel mentally and skill wise, I have understood what is to be done, but rest wise, rhythm wise, and structure wise, and when it comes to time management as well, that is something where I am lacking at the moment, health wise as well. Like, today I went to the gym, but I will have to see to it that I'm going to the gym, hitting the gym again and again, day by day, just like I'm recording videos as well. Then only I'll be able to like see results. That's the way I am able to see results at the moment, like the way I'm recording videos right now. uh, Damn, that was a lot, and I feel a little tired now because I've worked so much. It was nice walking and talking like this. I guess yeah, that is it for today's video. I'm glad that you've watched this entire video, and I hope that it has added value. Uh, you may have a look at my previous videos as well. And if you don't know, I also have a main YouTube channel on which you can have a look, where I talk about how young men can have how young men can actually regulate their uh, emotions properly. You may have a look over there. And yeah, that is it. I am glad again, grateful for you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Love you.